Hey,
Hello, hello.
if it's September 2022 when you're watching this, it's your lucky day.
Welcome to our September course completion challenge. David and I are really excited to run this.
We have prizes you can win if you finish this course within the next 3 weeks. This course is only 3.5 hours long. You can literally finish it in 1 weekend. And if you do finish this course in the next 3 weeks,
You're going to be eligible to win one of two $50 Amazon gift cards. Last month, we only had about 30 people finish the course. So if you do take on this challenge,
your odds of winning are pretty good.
so the one additional thing that you need to do other than complete the course is to make and share your learning plan.
We try to make this course fun, funny, and easy to finish, and we hope the prizes are just one more thing to motivate you. But it helps to have a specific learning plan. This course will probably take you 5 hours to finish. So take out your calendar right now and plan out when you'll do those 5 hours. Maybe it'll be 3 hours this Saturday and 2 hours on Sunday. Or maybe it'll just be 30 minutes every day after dinner for the next 10 days. Once you have your plan for watching the course, the more specific the better. Type it out and share in the Q&A section of this lecture. Once you do that, you'll be eligible to win our prizes if you do finish the course in the next 3 weeks. All right, so type out your 5-hour learning plan, share it in the Q&A, and let's finish this course.
Good luck and hope to see you out there.